I mean, I would just exit, right? If VIX spikes, I would just sell everything or close all the positions.
I'm with you on that one because
Yeah.
when it has those days, it has those days
Who
where
knows? Like that's
yeah.
that gets risky.
And then either way, just tell it when the VIX drops around a certain percentage, like back to, because my strategy is also is if the VIX gets above 30, I'm buying, or above 35. Right now it's in between. It's like what, 16, 17, you
So you
know.
buy when the VIX is very high?
Yeah.
Interesting. That's the opposite of
Because
what we're saying to do.
no, I know, but I do it mentally because I know those stocks are dropping. So to me, that's an indication that, hey, you know what, these stocks dropped. Dude,
Yeah, because it's saying here, it's saying VIX above 25, no new trades. VIX above 35, close all trades.
yeah.
Yeah, that makes
That
sense.
that's that makes good
Whatever you
sense
want
right
to do,
there.
you could get out. Yeah. You just back test each one of those and see which one you like the best.
Yeah.
See, that's been my problem right there. I get the same results always going on the down and round here. That's why I say my stop losses is something right there. Just it doesn't. I should not be going. We shouldn't be going down to 80,000 or down.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
That's my problem right there. That's why I say my strategy hasn't been successful on that.
So let's see this. So the VIX spiked to 25 on October 16th, but then came right back down again. This whole area here was brutal,
Yep.
right? And then right around here it spiked to 26. So I'd almost say like a 20, like a VIX of 20, we want to get the hell out. But this is actually even an awkward one because it spiked and then dropped back down again.
Yeah, but I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like for me, this is my game plan, right? So I have still money on reserve cash, waiting cash. So when it gets stocks that I want, like Palantir and all that, when the VIX is up 30, they're dropping. But I already know they're gonna go up. So I'm buying at that time too. That makes sense? But on
Yeah,
the
I think
bot,
by 30 it's like too late. You know what I mean?
yeah, I think so too. But I'm just saying on that bot, I think his strategy is good better at 20. I agree with you on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think 20, maybe even a little lower, right? Because 20 is right here.
Yeah.
That's going to chop off this little bit and this little bit. But I mean, the bulk of the damage happened around here, right? Where the VIX is actually quite low.
Yeah, and that's the thing, the entry point
Yeah.
to go back in.
Yeah.
That's why I was thinking also what I was also doing if it was like 15% of this below the sell that I got it to rebuy it again. 15 to 20%. That makes sense. If it was below the price that we bought it, 50% or 15% or 20% of the sell price that we sold it at to rebuy that stock.
So like buy the dip kind of thing.
Yep, it's kind of like buying this dip.
Yeah.